Hello and welcome. To enable the floating CPU activity monitor, get started by pressing Command and Space keys at the same time to launch a Spotlight. On the Spotlight search box, type Activity Monitor, and once it appears in the search results, click on it to launch. Notice the Activity Monitor's icon appearing on the dock. Close the Activity Monitors window and then right-click on its icon on the dock, choose Monitors, and then click on the CPU usage option to enable the floating CPU activity monitor. Click on the CPU history option to enable the floating historical CPU activity graphs. These floating monitor panels float over any active window so you can see the CPU activity at all times. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.